I think what we might want to do now is talk a little bit about our education, because when we talk about education, it's something that hairdressers, I believe, should always be doing. Myself, I'm always educating things that I want to learn about, things that I want to do, so I'm educating myself on that. I think once you stop educating and growing, you're dying. And as a brand, we always want to educate ourselves and we always want to grow. So we looked for a key creative director when it came to doing hair. And I looked and searched and we worked with a lot of different people and we found somebody in the UK. And when I looked at their work, you know, one of my favorite hairdressers of all time was Trevor Sorby. And I think that, you know, I've worked with him a little bit. I've spoken to him quite a lot over the years, and I think Trevor was one of the great hairdressers, not only in cutting, styling, finishing and dressing, but he had an amazing eye and he had an amazing heart and passion for our industry. So I wanted to find somebody that was very similar to that could cut hair, dress hair, style, finish, and do shows and have a personality. So we found somebody called Gary Baker. And let's bring Gary Baker on the set right now. Bring him in. Here he is. Our creative director, Gary Baker.
Hello all.
Gary's been with us for 12 years now, and Gary's been phenomenal on putting the educational program together with Stacey, who's head of the education too. And I think that it's been important that we've had this. And one of the main things that I've always said, our industry is the closest thing to fashion. I've never really looked at our industry as a beauty industry. I've always looked at it as a fashion industry. And Gary took that a step further with some of the educational programs he put together.
I was going to say, do we get to tell the story of how Gary met us in America? I mean, that's
a good story. That is a very good story.
The condensed version is Gary, we scared the pants off of him. Gary lands. We immediately throw him into shows in New York.
We pick him up in New York, yeah.
Pick him up in a rented SUV with probably 6 other people in the car.
Yep.
I don't know if Gary knew what he was coming here to do.
No.
We throw him in the car and I think proceed to do about 3 or 4 shows up and down the East Coast.
Never doing a show with Gary before, not knowing he doesn't know our format, how we work, but he fitted in brilliantly.
Yep, and he golfed.
And he golfed as well, which was good.
That was a plus. Sorry to interrupt.
No, that was a good one, absolutely. Yeah. And I think one thing that Gary said when he got in the car, he looked at all of us, and after an hour of hearing us chat and talk, he said, wow, he said, you're either in this family or you're not.
That's right. Family being the key word, I think.
Yeah, family being the key word for Unite, because that's what we believe our culture is. Gary saw the kind of education we were doing, and he thought education needed an experience with the education. And Gary, you created Runway Ready.
Yeah, it was a concept I've had long in the back of my head for many years, and you know, being part of Unite, it's one of those things where you can say there's very few companies would take this on board, but Unite being that forward-thinking brand and never frightened to change, we created Runway Ready for every hairdresser, irrespective of how long they've done hair, and to take them backstage. And it really was a boot camp to give them the experience that they are guaranteed to come and work with us backstage at Fashion Week. And that would be New York, Paris, London, Milan, and also Miami Swim Week. And it's been a roaring success, you know, it's been great.
Absolutely, because we always believe that, again, you know, if you stop growing, you're dead, and you have to keep growing. How do we do that? Usually through education. So I head up the business education when it comes to Unite, making sure that hairdressers understand how to either run their salon or their studio or themselves individually. You are a brand. Create a brand, work with that as a brand. And Gary's done that with Runway Ready. He's helped the hairdressers not only work backstage, do the shows backstage, but allow them to put that on their resume as well. And that's what we started out doing. You know, Jared, Nikki and I, we thought, how can we promote and get hairdressers to really have a great time in the industry that they're in? Because so many of them struggle, so many of them suffer a little bit because they don't have guidance, they don't have the mentorship that they should have. At Unite, that's what we decided to do.